Hi, everyone. My name is Mark Sanders. I'm a solution architect at Venafi. I was talking to a client about outages, and Venafi has a no outage guarantee. Some organizations that simply either seem to not care, or there's not a priority, or maybe lack of understanding. We sort of came up with four different things that we thought might help someone relay good information to your manager or someone in your organization that doesn't quite get it, maybe. The first of which is validity periods. So if we think back to before 2018, we had 3, 4 year validity periods. Then we went to a 36-month and a 24-month, and now we're down to a 13-month validity period. What I used to have to do every 3 years, I'm now doing every 13 months. So now that's tripled my workload. Until you express it that way, that that number, what I have to do is getting bigger, right? And so taking that next notion of what bigger is, if you think about the number of certificates that are on the public facing internet, back in February 2021, it was 157 million, and that's not including any private or internal certificates. That's just on the public facing internet. That number doubled since 2020. So our workload is increasing and the time to get it done is decreasing. But then we talk about how our job has changed. If we think about the cloud, in years past, we had system administrators, and they were app owners, and they managed websites and web servers and load balancers. They needed a certificate. They would create a CSR, or they would open a ticket with us. We would create the key in CSR, or they do that, and we go get the certificate, bring that back, and either help them install or give it to the savvy app owners, and they would install it themselves. And the cloud changed all that. We still are dealing with certificates, but the location where they're installed has changed significantly. The method of developers getting certificates has certainly changed. There's new protocols, there's new methods, there's all kinds of things that change the way that we're dealing with this. And it's a lot of great stuff. It's faster, it's more secure, but faster still doesn't help the fact that we have 13-month validity periods. I may have a developer that's calling into an API, and he or she may call that API 100,000 times. I still have to redo that, or they have to redo it. And then we get into the finger pointing thing. Well, you made this API for me, you should keep track of this. No, you called into the API, you should keep track of it. Right? So policy, governance, that sort of stuff. Is it understanding? Is it priority? Is it who cares? That changed our job significantly. The final piece is it won't happen to us. So whether it's me as a PKI administrator not getting the message up, or management executives not listening or not caring, hopefully these 4 points will help someone be able to explain that, whether it's top down or bottom up. These big companies had problems, and they have more resources, they've got more people, they got more technology, and it still happened to them. So it can happen. But the bottom line is it's changed the way we do work as PKI administrators or PKI ops. We need to get that message that outages should not happen. There's methods to make sure that outages don't happen. At Venafi, we got no outage guarantee, but these should not happen in today's world. All right, please call us, contact us if we can help with anything machine identity related. Thanks. Bye.